If you just put to bed struggling with low milk supply, this video is for you. Hello, welcome to Faribrand's Family Kitchen. In today's video, I'm sharing one of the most powerful traditional meal for postpartum recovery and for breast milk production. In this recipe, I'll be using cow leg, stripes, and plantains to make this pepper soup. This is deep nourishment your body truly needs after childbirth. After delivery, your body goes through so much blood loss, hormonal changes, and overall weakness. That's why warm nourishment meals like pepper soup are highly recommended in African homes. After thoroughly washing my stripe and cow leg, I go ahead and add my pepper soup powder spices. Then I cook everything in a pressure cooker for at least 20 minutes. This helps to soften it before we go in with our real spices. Now let's prep our ingredients. Here is parsley, garlic, ginger, jansa, white pepper, black pepper, bell peppers, and we have chili, maggi, salt, bay leaf. I'm just going to list all the ingredients in the caption. If you are still enjoying this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to new moms and for people struggling with low milk supply. This is what helped with my postpartum recovery and lot of milk supply. If you struggle with milk supply, don't rely on supplements. Start with what you eat. Traditional food like this have been used for generations and it works. It works for me and I'm sure this is equally going to work for you. Having a new baby and unable to produce milk is another level of stress. When the cow leg and stripe are almost ready, I go ahead and added all my blended ingredients. Stir until everything combines. Please try to watch the video till the end so you don't miss the steps. This is the final result. Our pepper soup looks so yummy. If you are a new mom or you know someone who just gave birth, save this video, share it, and try it out. I'm sure you're going to have a good testimony. And don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more postpartum meal, breastfeeding tips, and healthy African recipes. Bye and see you next time.